Why does Stanley Black Decker continue to be committed to a sustainable future? Because we believe we have a responsibility to the world. It's a responsibility we take to heart. It's why we nurture our culture of ECOSMART, a sustainability plan that extends across our business. We are focused on decreasing our environmental impact by an additional 20% by 2020. Our sustainability initiatives continue to be recognised. Initiatives such as replacing inefficient equipment with modern machinery, saving energy and reducing waste. Using solar panel technology to reduce total power requirements. Our plastic fastenings are made up of recycled materials, reducing our carbon footprint. From product design, manufacturing, selling, right through to transportation, we think innovatively about how to run our business more efficiently. Our ambitious goal of make where we sell means that we are aiming to design, source and build products in that market, reducing our environmental impact. Stanley Black Decker put a good deal of thought into who we serve, because social responsibility is important to us. Our charitable impact has grown. We increased our financial giving by 23%, equipping volunteers with our tools for rebuilding efforts, assisting in disaster relief responses worldwide, supporting wounded veterans and career transition programs, delivering our commitment to communities near and far, to this generation and the next, providing students with educational activities and programming, guiding them in environmental stewardship. Because at Stanley Black Decker, our sense of purpose is intricately tied to a greater good. Doing right by the people, doing right by the world. Stanley Black Decker.